The Bangladesh Meteorological Department has asked Mongla and Paira ports to hoist great danger signal long 10 as cyclonic storm Remal now lies over Northwest Bay and the adjoining areas. Meanwhile, owing to the impact of the cyclone, Chittagong and Mongla seaport closed to release of goods on Saturday. Bangladesh Meteorological Department asked to display great signal number 10 at Mongla and Paira seaports and number 9 at Chittagong and Cox's Bazar seaports. On the other hand, the Port Authority issued alert number 4 for their ports. Meanwhile, big ships in the seaports have been sent to outer anchorage, and the activities of Mongla seaport have also been stopped. Meanwhile, the concerned authority have announced the suspension of flights at Shah Amanat International Airport in Chittagong. Earlier, Biman Bangladesh Airlines, US Bangla and Novo Air cancelled all flights to Kolkata.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।